said you bought the car from your niece?
No, I bought it from my friend's niece.
Friend's niece. Out of where, do you know?
Here in Loveland.
Where was the vehicle registered before?
To some lady named Teresa.
Out of Colorado or where?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mind if I open the door?
No, not at all.
No weapons or anything on you?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Why, is the VIN bringing up something weird? Or?
Yeah, it's coming back now on file, and it's not the end of the world usually. It just means like, hey, it was registered somewhere else.
You want me to read it off to you?
No, you're good. Appreciate it though. Alright. So I have discretion in some areas, other areas I do not.
Yeah.
So you are gonna be receiving a couple tickets. If you remain cool with me and everything like that, I'll use discretion on a lot of them and get you out of here. But
Okay.
I can't just let you kind of go. Driving one being that big one, all right?
Okay.
Any questions for me so far?
I mean, kinda, but I don't know if you could really answer them for me.
What's up?
Like, with the courts entering those default judgments, like that's what's holding my license up, is they defaulted me in a criminal case.
Okay.
And I don't know how familiar you are with how the courts work, but wouldn't that like bypass my right to due process?
If it's still we check a couple databases. So
Yeah.
if it's still showing that you are a revoked status or whatever, I have to act on whatever I'm being shown from those and what's being confirmed.
Okay.
Now, if you have something else going on with the courts and it's later proven, so this is what I usually tell everyone. What happened with you is kind of on your own thing. I have zero issue against it type thing. Obviously, you can't be driving knowing that you have a revoked license, so this vehicle's not supposed to be on the road.
Well,
if you can get everything taken care of and bring me back to court, so I get a subpoena in the mail, hey, I have a court case regarding your incident with the tickets I give you, and I run you again and it shows, hey, you're now eligible, you're able to drive, I personally dismiss all charges because it's a privilege to drive, it's not a right. So if you've done your due diligence, gotten everything cleared, then I'll clear you type thing. Does that make sense?
Well, so like the Constitution says, like if there's like if something violates your like fundamental rights, then you should like disregard them, basically. So like if my license was being taken for something that was unconstitutional, I mean, then I would be technically just driving without a license.
Okay, I'm not going to go down this whole rabbit hole. I've dealt with constitutionalists before.
Well, no, I'm not a constitutionalist.
Okay.
I'm just saying, like,
I'm not going to go down this rabbit hole. So if your rights were taken away unconstitutionally, that's between you and that officer and that agency, and you can file a civil tort claim and handle it through that issue. Because regarding your driving license status,
would it be
they had to go through the
driving
courts.
without a license and not driving under restraint?
I'm sorry?
Wouldn't it be driving without a license instead of the driving while revoked?
You have a license status given to you. So you have a license status to revoke, and it's been revoked in the state of Colorado.
Okay, so that's through the DMV?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, so hang tight real quick.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, that sounds okay. Perfect. Thank you.